Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to make Opera GX default web browser on your Windows 11 PC. For this, first click on the Start button in the taskbar and select Settings. Under Settings, click on this one Apps in the left sidebar. Then click on the Default Apps. In the Search Apps box, type Opera and click on this one Opera GX entry. On the top, beside Make Opera GX your default browser, click on Set Default button. This will set Opera GX browser as your default browser on your Windows 11 PC.